They were built to serve us. But what if they start building themselves? The age of self-building AI is here. Machines that can design, assemble, and evolve without human input. You're watching Invention Chronicles, exploring the greatest ideas ever imagined. They were built to serve us, but what if they start building themselves? The age of self-building AI is here. Machines that can design, assemble, and evolve without human input. Scientists call it recursive engineering, artificial intelligence capable of upgrading its own hardware and software in real time. From self-printing drones to adaptive robots, this new wave of AI isn't just thinking, it's inventing. Imagine an AI that creates its own factory, its own species of machines. That's not science fiction anymore, it's research happening now in labs across the world. Some experts see endless possibilities, faster innovation, smarter medicine, limitless creativity. Others warn, if machines control their own evolution, where do we fit in? One question remains. When invention no longer needs us, will we still be the inventors? Thank you for watching, stay curious, and keep exploring the world of invention and discovery.